We are now facing the corner, hence 4 corners. From here, we grasp sparrow's tail again and roll back. Again, step out to the corner. What you need to do is when you roll back, this front foot has to come right round. If you only bring it to here, you won't be able to turn. The right hand and leg go together. So we grasp sparrow's tail, roll back, bring the foot in. Elbow in, arm and leg together. So you're going to have a problem because the left leg, the toe is pointing here where it should be pointing at least to the wall. So the gap, that increases the gap in the thigh when you try to turn, makes it more difficult. It's good, and then step out. Okay, good.